And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Yeah, a big part of the forecast, the temperatures. I feel like it's Groundhog Day. You know, like you have something happen and then you wake up the next day and you do it all over again. The same thing. You ever see the movie? It's pretty funny, actually. Bill Murray. Well, the temperatures are a big part of the forecast, so we don't quite completely copy what we did last night. Let me explain. So temperatures low to mid 40s now, right? The difference from where we are now compared to where we were yesterday at this time doesn't seem like much, right? It's around 10 degrees. 13 in Westerly, 11 in Newport, 8 in Smithfield. But it's a big part of the forecast because like yesterday at this time, I was on air telling you that precipitation was coming our way. Now, the temperatures yesterday at this time were like 32, 33, 34. So what happened? When the precipitation arrived, it fell in the form of mainly snow at first. A lot of you slept through that part of it. And then as you wake up in the morning, it had changed over to a little rain and freezing drizzle and just a very kind of more of a wet precipitation instead of snow. That's not the case tonight. Because the temperatures are a little bit higher as it moves in the precipitation after 9, 10 o'clock, it favors more rain at first tonight than snow. Now, right now, we're just building the cloud cover after popping a little sunshine. But here's our next weather maker off to the west, some snow and some rain. As it moves closer to the area, our temperatures just a little warmer means that most of this will start off as rain and stay rain for a good chunk of the area. Mainly away from the coast, a little snow will mix in. If we're going to have some slick spots, probably northern and northwestern Rhode Island, though I don't think it will be widespread like it was last night. It was very slippery. I drove home last night, and I got to exit 10, got to about exit 5A, and that entire time was like driving in a snow globe. It was unbelievable. The visibility was reduced. The roads got snow covered, and everybody was slowing down. That will likely not be the case tonight. So for tonight, a little mix of rain and snow. Again, a lot of locations, especially at the coast, mainly just rain this time around. Temperatures mainly above freezing for most locations. And as we go into the day tomorrow, a little mix in the morning with some rain, snow. That pushes out. The difference tomorrow, though, today we popped some sun. We went 50 degrees. Tomorrow, the clouds just get stuck here in the afternoon. It's pretty much overcast, and that plays a part in your temperature. Instead of getting up to 50, we park it right around 40 degrees. And it's a cooler day, though typical for this time of year. So for tomorrow morning, a little rain, snow, a lot of clouds the rest of the day. We'll try to nudge 40 around noon. I'm going to go with a high of 41 and then sit back in the upper 30s for your drive home between 3 and 6 p.m. So Futurecast, you know, it's a series of these really weak storms and not even want to call them storms. We call them little weather makers, you know, but it's just enough. We get a little rain, a little snow. We had it last night. And we'll have it again tonight. See, the precipitation not all that impressive. Comes in after 9, maybe fills in a little bit more after midnight to about 4 a.m. Notice the line of rain to snow to the north. Temperatures mainly above freezing. Keep things mainly wet more than slippery. And then by 7 a.m., still some precipitation around for the morning commute, and then tapering off throughout the morning. Afternoon features a lot of cloud cover, temperatures around 40. On a Wednesday night into Thursday, still some light rain showers in the forecast Thursday. In the morning, mainly south, but in the afternoon, just a few little hit and miss showers. Temperatures around 40. Not a completely dry day, but not really a real wet day either. Going to the end of the week, obviously New Year's Eve, big plans, right? If you're like me, you have an early dinner, you fall asleep at 11 p.m. I think it will be dry till the ball drops at midnight. By about 5 a.m., I've moved the rain timing up a bit, and I have added it for much of the day of New Year's Day, and it will linger into Sunday. It's going to be a very wet start to 2022, but wet because temperatures will be well up into the 50s. It'll be really mild. And then the hammer drops on the temperatures for Monday and Tuesday. Low 30s, very cold. Tiffany.
Thanks, Jeff. The Big Apple